am here to prevent my osteoporosis. My name is Lisa Mulrooney and I'm from Manhattan Beach, California. At 52, I had to have my hip replaced, so that was bad, and I broke my leg a few years ago. I had osteopenia from my early 40s, so I knew something had to change. I had been on supplements, I had been strength training my whole life, I have a vibration plate at home, but this was the missing piece that I needed to reverse my bone loss. And it's working. What makes this place different is, first of all, the technology. I know that technology is backed by science that I can understand. So the Wolff's Law, all of that was very impactful in making my decision to come here and spend this money on myself. So you come through the door and you're greeted by people like Viana, like Gracie, just so many wonderful people that are here to support us in this journey to build bone. I'm in this for the long haul. I'm here in OsteoStrong for the long haul. I will be here 5 years from now. I will be here 10 years from now because I know this is the only thing that works. If you are a woman and you're concerned about your longevity and what you're going to be like when you're 70, what you're going to be like when you're 80, will you still be vital? Will you still be able to walk your dog? Will you still be able to go skiing? Whatever it is that you enjoy, you need to get yourself here, because this is the thing that is going to give you that, prevent you from getting bone fractures, compression fractures, all the things that women are susceptible to, and do it without drugs. Getting older doesn't mean getting weaker. Get stronger with OsteoStrong.